Say hi to YouTube.
Okay. Hello YouTube! What's
And
up?
we are
It's me,
going to
Minecraft
make
Nicole.
a survival island video. I don't know where is her island. We died like
Yeah,
we
so
died
far
like
away.
we died like
I
3
know.
times now, and then like island replaced an
I did.
island replaced an island, new island,
I
replaced
died
whatever.
this time.
And
I
now we
died
are
this
going to
time.
survive this time. Here's my stuff. I'm not using it. I wish I have a zombie dog. I'm just so
I mean,
I'm scared. I don't know what to do now. Oh, you bad bug. I don't know what to do now. I got a couple
everyone that knows
couple
how to
generator. Now what should we do? Center.
now. I'm
Son
on
of
a
a
different
gypsy.
island,
Yay!
and I'm gonna expand my island. Gonna expand.
I'm not. Here's my freaking island. So this will turn out
Expand
very
my
ugly.
island. Why you know to expand your island?
Cause
Expand
I don't have this stuff.
Oh, that was a stupid lag. Stupid lag.
I need some of this thing. Give me some. Give me some. I can't. What the heck?
That's weird. That's weird. Very weird. Guess I'm not gonna expand from over here. It's dark and creepy.
I'm so scared right now. Really, I'm scared right now. Wait, that's wrong.
I'm freaking lagging. I think it's a freezing when I. There you go.
Okay.
There you go.
Oh,
Okay.
that is my island. That looks awful. How to invite people, person in your land. Oh, so much. You.
Hey, can you invite me to your island, please?
I don't know how to.
I'm gonna ask someone. How do you and
How to invite people in your island? Okay. Yeah. Look at me, I'm surviving. I'm just kidding. Later on, Minekeeper died, fell out the world. Bah! Ouch. Okay. Give me some of them. The heck? Come on.
Dude, right, I'm trying to get some guy island. Some guy island, man.
Yeah. Okay. That's my tree. I almost forgot about my tree. Apple, please. I need apple. Oh! Fudge. Oh, yeah. I'm going to expand my Island using cobble. How can we get diamond now? Diamond. Wait, this sucks.
Sabi yan. Ugh!
Bili nga ako ng taho mamaya. Yung taho dun sa kanto. Dun. Sa dulong
Yeah.
dulo.
You know what? I'm trying to get some guy island and yeah.
Ito nyo, ano tayo?
See? Look at my island.
See if I
Give me some of that cardboard.
yeah, did I just get a complete assignment? Thank you, Lord.
Ay, napagod lang ako. Yet. Yet na malagkit. Tapos nakapila pa ako. Yung pala wala pa raw. Sa 30 pa raw.
Now, look,
Pinangapit.
I have to do with this.
Ano ba? Kakainit. Mama, me want more. Wala na, yan na yun. Cake na lang. You want some dessert cake? Huh? What? Like? Or you don't? Teka na, ano na, oh, 3 na, oh. Ano nyo na yan? Shutdown nyo na yan.
And looks gorgeous.
Hindi na kayo, tama na to.
Oh, yes! Okay. I just said hi to you. Slash tail. What the heck is that guy's name?
Let's go, guys. Hi, 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 hi. Ay, ay, o, tara na, mag-chelat na.
Wait.
Ano ko lang, ano?
With that grass.
Oy, sa bentang na na. Time. Oo, mamaya. O, sige. Do shutting down. Okay, hindi ka na. Ikaw, mag-shutdown ka na. Let's go na, o, 3 na.
Kaboom.
Are you sure you're gonna wear that full one?
I'm going to survive.
Did you clean
Taking
your ears?
Captain Sparkles.
Nalagay dito, mami, nalagay, binatahi ko.
Boop, boop. Give me some of that cobble generator. Cobble generator. I love generator.
Yikes! Sabi ko na nga ba?
There, I just
Yours is so
I just
latte.
messaged this guy.
Let's go, guys. Guys. 54 na. Okay. Bring your things now.
Aww.
Santa Ana, come on. Shut it down.